Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to ventilate a realistic closure pattern such as the one on your screen at the moment. If this sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time we have a video such as this one. Let's get right in. I want to assume you already know how to place your lace closure, and this is a 2x4 closure. You grab your measuring tape, and I'm going to be using the inches. Since it's a 2x4 closure, I'm going to measure 1 inch one side, another inch the other side, and I'm going to be leaving just one line in the middle for my center pattern. All you need to do right now is just to grab a pencil, follow a straight line upwards. It could be a horizontal or a vertical line depending on how you place your mannequin. Draw a line going up. You can make it a double line just as this one. So when you're ventilating from left to right, you stop at the line. When you're ventilating from right to left, you stop at the other line. So most people prefer to have 2 lines in the middle, 3 lines, 4 lines. It's your choice. But for me, to have a sleek pattern, I prefer having just one single line. We grab our hair, we fold into 2. These are things I believe you already know how to do, and we begin ventilating. And I'm going to start ventilating from the right to the left. Once I get to the line, I'll start following a straight line, and on this part I'm going to be ventilating on that line. I'll ensure I don't cross the line, so that's like a boundary. So I'll put 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out. You're not crossing to the middle of it where I have just a single line in between those 2 lines. So you put 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out, 1 in, 1 out. That's the format with which you use to ventilate your center pattern. And the knotting technique I'm using, it's double knotting technique. The reason I had to use a double knotting technique, it's so the work could be a durable one. And also I folded the hair very short. What I'm doing right now is one way you can decide to create your center pattern. The other way is to ventilate normally, and when you get to those lines you ruled, you stop. So some of them will stop before the line, some will stop by the line itself, on the line. But you're not supposed to allow any ventilation take place after that line you marked, coming from right to left. And when you start ventilating from left to right, you also stop at the line, having just 1 line space in the middle. You can decide to have 2 lines in between, 3 lines in between, depending on what your client wants or how you like your center pattern to be. I can decide to just ventilate on that straight line going upwards then before filling up. And one tip you need is just 2 strands of hair on the center pattern, 1 to 2 strands of hair. This will make the pattern look more realistic. You don't want big knots on the pattern. Ensure to apply 1 to 2 strands of hair on the pattern to make the work look clean and neat. So this is out. Now I just need to fill up the empty space to meet at the point where I ventilated on the straight line. Ensure to watch this video till the end, because I still have a second way with which I ventilate my closure pattern to become realistic. This is not the right time to exit. No fast forward. Watch till the end. Okay, this is the second way I achieve my center pattern. I just simply ventilate from right to left or from left to right, but I'm stopping at the line I marked initially. You follow the same process over and over till you get to the top. That line becomes like a border to you. You don't cross that line, or you can call it a boundary. You don't cross that line. If you don't know how to do the double knotting technique, you can go to my channel and watch the previous videos. I have videos on that. So we've covered that part already. So we're already on the second part. And I'm just going to apply the same procedure, ventilate this time from left to right, but I won't be crossing that line I initially marked. One in, one out. And I'll be ventilating in between. If you don't know what the in-between pattern is, you can check my video on updated in-depth how to ventilate correctly tutorial, where I discussed patterns, spacing techniques and other things. Do well. I'll leave the link in the description box below or at the pinned comment section. And there we go. See our realistic center pattern. See how beautiful and sleek it is. Isn't it lovely? I guess it is. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, ensure you do so to get more educational content such as this one, and to help you become a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.